Hello everyone. Yes, coming back at you with these twists, you know, and in my like fuzzy robe. It's almost my birthday. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put this up before or after my birthday. Maybe I'll put it up before. I don't know. But it's almost my birthday. You guys know I'm a Christmas baby. I wanted to film a get ready with me for my birthday surprise, and then I'll take you guys along with me to dinner and as well to whatever my surprise is. I'm not sure, but I'm really excited. So yeah, this is gonna be like a complete get ready with me, not just me doing my hair or me only doing my makeup. This is gonna be like a full shebang transformation, like Swan. If Swan was like only an hour and not a full 6 months of surgery and recovery. Okay, anyways, I'm rambling. Yeah, I'm gonna show you some of my favorite products and we'll get going, so.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my video again. So I'm just pulling my twists up because I'm actually going to take them out using my Cantu leave-in conditioner just to keep them hydrated. Taylor actually gave me this tip and I love using it. The reason why I'm taking them out now is because I actually need to stretch my hair a bit so I'll get a bigger and fuller look at the end, which you'll see. Every product that I use, by the way, I'll link them down below. Just an FYI. So I pull my hair up into a high pony and just leave it there while I do my makeup. It's so easy. So first thing I'm going to do is utilize my Makeup Forever Skin Booster. Just apply it across my skin. Then I use my YSL Touche Éclat primer. It's one of my favorite primers. Keeps my skin hydrated and looking great. Next up is I use the Step 1 from Makeup Forever. It's a color corrector and I apply it to any pigmented areas on my skin to make it easier for my concealer. I then move forward and use my Fit Me concealer before I add on my Revlon Color Stay eyeshadow. It's such a creamy color. I love using purple. I'm going to go for a very simple eye makeup look today and literally just do a smoky eye using my Makeup Forever palette. And that's it. Like no eyeliner, nothing like that. Literally just patting it away and that's it. So then I pop in with my Goof Proof eye pencil from Benefit. I have not had my brows done in forever, so I just go in and I trace the desired kind of area that I want my brows to sit in. Then I fill in any weird spots and brush it out so it looks a little more natural. And that's literally all I do for my brows because they're pretty thick. And I'll add in actually a little bit of highlight to my brow bone too. So then I'll pop in with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Away Concealer. I'm obsessed with it. It's my first time using it. The applicator is weird, but the concealer formula itself is ridiculous. You need to try this. I absolutely love it. Then I'll blend it in with my Beauty Blender. And I move on to my foundation, which is actually Charlotte Tilbury as well. I've used it so much that the sticker has wiped away, but I really do love it as well too. And I'm applying that with my Tweezerman foundation brush. It's a super simple and natural look. I'm not going for a built or heavy look at all. Then I'll set my under eye with my Makeup Forever powder, which I love using and use every time. I just added on some bronzer using my contour brush from Tweezerman. It's really cute. I try to bronze my entire self because I'm pale. And then I also use this Makeup Forever eyeshadow too as my blush. Like, it's so pigmented that I can use as a blush. I love it. So curl my eyelashes with my Tweezerman eye curler. I'm obsessed. It's so good. And I actually use two mascaras. So they're both from Maybelline. One is a Sensational. I use that for volume. And then I use the Cat Eye for length. Then I'll brush away what I baked on my skin and then keep going with my look. I'm literally almost finished. This is the simplest makeup look ever. I apply some lip balm before I then move on to apply lipstick. This is Cool Nude in number 5 from Essence Cosmetics. It's a drugstore brand. It's so cheap here in Canada. I'm obsessed with it. I love using it. So look at how much volume my hair has now. This is ridiculous. So then I go in with a bit of a pick and then I just pick my hair and fill in any other spots that may need some extra love. And then that's literally my entire look, guys. Like my outfit. I'm wearing a Zara jacket, t-shirt, and as well Express necklace, some leather leggings, my new Gucci purse, and my new jacket that you saw me unbox. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I then went to have dinner at Toroni, and my surprise was to go see the Nutcracker with my mom. It was so much fun. And be sure to subscribe to watch more videos like this. Bye!